Looks like these guys definitely need to clean out. And since it's the first day, it's not gonna rain in like forever. I'm gonna put them out on, excuse them, I'm gonna put them out on the ground for a little bit. Alright, so that means I have to put them in the travel trailer. So let's see how smooth this goes. Sorry, baby. Hold on, There we go. Oh, we got a loose one. We got a loose one. Get back in here. Little squirrely guys. Go. I don't need your help, baby. Don't be worried, doll. Don't be worried, I promise. Travel back up, buddy. Hey. Wow. You are feisty. No, try it. Get in here. Alright, babies. I promise you're gonna love it. Let's do some more moving. Much easier this time. Straight down in there. Come on, babies. You know it's hot. That's why I'm trying to get you out. Reach you. Come on, baby. My arms are too short. And last but not least, those before they escape. And now you guys got a little bit of dirt to dig around in. More worried about the food than anything. You say hey to the chickens. Get some air. It's 85 degrees today, so I don't have to worry about them getting. These chickens are mad. They're like, who the hell is that? Better not be more chickens. They usually don't really see the quail at all because they're in a different spot. Look how calm they are out here. What'd you think, Comanche? Not sure? Bunch of weird noises. Hey, Stump. What'd you think of the babies? Yeah, they're getting some air.